Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 4. The gentleman that made the comment uh, gave me a little insight. As you see, this disappears because I'm nudging it down half the distance of these lines. If you didn't watch the first part, you might be a little bit lost, but I'm going to go over this because this would be work pretty cool. We have our font, and I'm going to select everything, and I'm going to intersect it. Now we can't see it because it's intersect right on top, but if we move it down, that's what we had in the last video. But what if you took the point size of the text and now cut it in half? Now you have quite a bit smaller line. We'll get rid of the outline. I'm just going to nudge it off in case I want to do it later. That's probably even more so a cool effect. I don't know whoever would use that, but let's make it blue again like we did earlier. Just kind of make it stand out. Um, I don't know what you'd ever do with that, but hopefully that'll help the first person that asked how to do that. And you could make the, even a smaller point and just barely, or let's try to double the point and see what happens. Not, to me, not as cool, but a totally different effect. Let's make it just a little bit bigger to make it 3. So we'll go back to the 2, and it's going to be right there. But if we nudge it, they basically disappears. And that's a cool effect within itself because it's actually on top of the other lines. If you take it and we put this to the back of page, go to Object, Order, back of page, and they disappear. So that alone would be a pretty cool effect right there. We have the text and the lines are blue for the text. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.